What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, back with another video. And yesterday we covered the Dr. Sally Ride 2022 quarters and the Ghost Tail Comet error. Well, today we're going to do the Sally Ride quarters again, but today I'm going to cover the Drooling Mouth error. So if you can see on these two coins close up in the corner of Washington's mouth, there is a little mark. Let's see if I can zoom in. And it looks like drool. Some would say it looks like a cold sore. But these are selling online for about $3 to $5. So now let's go ahead and take a look under the microscope. Okay, guys. So here's a close-up. As you can see in the corner of his mouth, it looks like drool. This is the drooling mouth error. So if you see this on your 2022 quarters, it doesn't even have to be the Sally Ride quarter. It can be the Maya Angelou. It can be any of the other ones, the Wilma quarter. Look and see if you see this in his mouth area. Sometimes it is visible to the eye. Other times you may need to get a microscope or a magnifying glass. But yeah, guys, drooling mouth error for the 2022 quarters. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.